Hello and a very warm welcome to ET Studios. I'm your host Himanshi Tiwari, joining you from the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024. With me is Captain Chauhan, Chief of Staff at Skywalt. So it's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, Captain. Right now we are here at the Rising Rajasthan Summit. Right, we are talking about investment opportunities, how Rajasthan is scripting its new chapter in the history of India's economic growth. How do you see this event coming up? How do you see that the investment opportunities or the growth opportunities in Rajasthan are going to expand up after this event?
I must tell you that it has never been a better time than this for the development of tourism, for development of industries under the leadership of our Honorable PM. These kind of initiatives have played a vital role
Yeah.
in developing and reshaping our country
Yeah.
better than ever.
All right. Skywalls launched hot air balloon in Rajasthan, right? You do it in Rajasthan, right? So, what inspired first of all you to introduce hot air ballooning in Rajasthan, and how do you highlight Rajasthan's heritage through this?
So, Rajasthan being the most city in this country, we have we are the only ones in India who are licensed by the Ministry of Civil
Yeah.
Aviation and DGCA to do these operations. We do hot air balloon safaris, which is the best way to see the beauty of this city from a perspective when no one else can do it. So it's a very beautiful opportunity to fly and see Rajasthan.
All right, but the prime minister was also talking about tourism. He was talking about how Rajasthan has 75% of the heritage to tourism when we compare it with the entire country. How does it help you in your business, first of all, and how are you closely working with the government to sort of, bring in more tourists to the state?
So we work very closely with the governments, not just in Rajasthan, but across all the other state governments. We work for destination development since we are providing luxury high-end tourism activities
Yeah.
hot air balloon safari. So we attract some of the finest tourists because there's a difference between tourism where we don't want
Yeah.
backpackers coming
Yeah.
into our country,
Yeah.
spending $10 and spoiling $20 worth
Yeah.
of our
Yeah.
country's heritage. But instead, we are bringing in some of the most discerning tourists from across the world to India, especially to Rajasthan, who would be spending top dollars in our city, who would be spending on extra hotel nights due to hot air balloon safari because it happens in early morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
It actually benefits all the other travel agents, it benefits to the travel trade fraternity, and it develops lots of micro enterprise around it.
Yeah, yeah. No, surely, even the government, even the prime minister was talking about micro enterprises and MSMEs, the importance of those enterprises in Rajasthan at this point in time. But when it comes to the tourism sector, what do you expect from the government?
So what we expect is right now we expect that the state should support us to promote hot air ballooning as a destination development and make our way easier to fly at these heritage sites. So right now what we do is we fly in the very countryside of Rajasthan in Jaipur near Achrol, where we can't show the tourists the real Jaipur, the heritage, the beauty of it. So if at all we can bring our operations near to the city in places like Amer Fort, I mean, we can 10x the tourist influx of this city.
All right. Thank you so much, Captain, for joining us for this session. It was a pleasure, and I'm surely looking forward for the hot air ballooning service in
Certainly,
Rajasthan.
we are very thankful to ET and the entire state of Rajasthan for hosting this. It's been an amazing
All
experience so
right.
far.
Thank you so much for joining us. And to our viewers, stay tuned for many more such videos only at ET Studios.